Little Queenie, her paw on my paw, her paw on my paw. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, she had her medicine, making her a little bit stoned. Queenie, yes. Do you know you are the cutest little bunny cat? You're so soft like a bunny. Yes, you are. Uh-oh, you're gonna get me? You're gonna get me? Because you are so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it when you yawn at me. I love that. Yes, I do. What are you looking at? The ceiling? Look at those bunny. Look at those bunny paws. It's like a bunny. Yes, it is. Like a bunny cat. Yes. Mommy's feet are a little swollen today. It's okay. Queenie? Little Queenie? Little teeny Queenie? Yes, I got you. You got me. Look. Oh, look at that white belly. There's your white. Uh-oh. What is it? Let me see your face. Let me see. Queenie? Queenie? Teeny Queenie? Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Yawn at me. I love it when you yawn at me. I love that. Yes, I do. Got your little mouth open. What is that? What is that? Look at those whiskers. Look at that. You're the sweetest, queeniest queen cat. Yes, you are. That's enough. Okay.